A teenager is facing possible murder charges in relation to the stabbing death of a Haile Selassie high school student. The incident happened last week, but the St. Andrews South Police say they now have the accused, a schoolmate of the deceased, in custody. The tragic death has left the Haile Selassie High School in mourning. Last week, 15-year-old Romario Jones of Robert Close in Kingston 10 died from stab wounds he received during a dispute with a schoolmate. According to head of the St. Andrews South Police, Superintendent Gary Francis, Romario and another student had a confrontation shortly after school dismissed on Thursday.
During the confrontation, one of the boys used a knife to stab the other. Somewhere in the region of his side. He was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was dead. Of course, the mother of the alleged accused boy would have taken him to us. And the investigation in this matter are progressing smoothly.
He says based on investigations so far, the accused teen is expected to be charged sometime this week. Attempts to contact school officials since the incident have been unsuccessful. However, Superintendent Francis says the St. Andrews South Police and the Member of Parliament met with the school management on Friday.
We're actually providing some amount of support, and I've seen where a number of guidance counselor deployed from the Ministry of Education working at the school. We are working with both parents because this is a tough time for the school community, the community itself, and both the parent and the family of children.